don't know how to suction your tongue to the roof of your mouth when you're not using it like this, you're not alone, my friend. So let's talk about what that suction should feel like. The more you do it, the stronger your tongue gets, the easier that suction will be to maintain, especially while you sleep. One of the best ways to learn tongue suction is to actually perform what they call tongue pops or clicks. So it's where you suction your tongue to the roof of your mouth and pull it down and make a sound like this. And the more you do it, the stronger your tongue gets. And once your tongue gets really strong with a bunch of exercises that you could probably find online for orofacial myofunctional therapy, you can get your tongue to stay suctioned up there at night while you sleep.